Hi my peeps, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house. And guys, we're gonna make some white bread, alright? Maybe a white bread. Now we're gonna get straight into the video. I have 2 tablespoons of white sugar. I have 1 cup of warm milk. Once you stick your finger in it and it's not burning, it's good. I'm gonna add this. Now to this, I'm gonna add 1 teaspoon active dry yeast. I'm gonna give it a little mix. Then I'm gonna let this sit for about 10 minutes. Alright guys, after 10 minutes, it should look somewhat like this. I'm gonna add half teaspoon salt. I have 1 egg. I'm gonna break it and take the whites out. Now guys, I'm gonna slightly beat this one. I'm gonna pour it in the flour. And now I'm gonna add a big tablespoon of this oil. You can use any oil of your choice. And now guys, all that's left just to mix in your yeast mixture into this. And you just want to combine everything together to form a dough. Alright guys, when you get it mixed like this, then you want to transfer it. And I'm gonna take my mixture out. Make sure you mix it up good in here. Don't want to waste anything. Don't leave anything in it. Alright. Then I'm gonna take it out. And now guys, what you want to do, you want to give this about 52 kneads or about 4 to 5 minutes. All right. And what I'm gonna do guys, I'm gonna fold it like quarter like this. You can use 2 hands or you can use 1, and you want to spin it and fold it. All right. It doesn't matter if it's soft right now, it's okay, just work in it. Or if it's too soft, just sprinkle a little bit of flour, not too much. Don't use too much. You don't want it too tight. You even can use the palm of your hand to kind of press it in and give it a good knead, okay? Alright guys, so this is it. Now I'm just gonna add a little bit of oil in the bottom, so when it starts to rise it won't stick. And now I'm gonna set the dough right in the middle. And guys, you want to cover this for a good hour and a half. So 60 to 90 minutes you want to let it sit at room temperature, maybe on the stove top, on the countertop, and you want to cover it. And it's double in size or even more. And now I'm gonna dust my surface. And look at that goodness guys. Woo. See how soft it is. And now I'm just gonna press it out a little, get out some of the air. Grab my rolling pin and I'm gonna roll it. And that's it guys. This is enough for 1 bread. All right, I have my baking tin. You can put oil or butter, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna rub it up in the bottom. And what I'm gonna do now, guys, I'm just gonna roll it. I'm just dusting the excess flour off. All right, guys, when you roll it like this, you want to make sure you pinch it. And then you want to pinch the sides as well. Tuck them in. They say, young girl, tuck in your belly. So we're going to tuck it in. Just form it in. I try to make something. Now I'm going to take it up and I'm going to put it here. I'm going to cover this bad boy again for another 30 minutes. All right? Or guys, you can cover it until it double or time and a half in size. It's supposed to rise up. Okay, guys? Once you see it risen, then it's good to go. All right, guys. Now, so I let this sit for about 35-40 minutes. And here goes. There it is, guys. Now we're gonna pop this in the oven at 350 and we're gonna bake it for about 25 minutes to half an hour. If it's more or less, I will let you know. All right, just gonna put a few jukes. You don't have to, just style. That's good. And so now I'm gonna pop this in, and I didn't turn my oven on yet. All right, now I'm gonna close it. And here, guys, I'm just gonna bake it at 350 for about 25 minutes to half an hour. And look at this, guys. I have a little piece of butter. I'm just gonna rub it on it. Rubbing the butter on it make the crust or the top soft. And look at this, guys, hot and nice homemade white bread. Can you see this, guys? Ooh, hot, hot. This is my homemade white bread. All right, guys, look at this. Ooh, soft and nice. All right. All right, guys, I'm gonna cut it so you can see it. It's still hot. Oh my goodness. Look at this, guys. Can you see how soft the bread is? I'm gonna cut another piece. All right, guys. And guys, this is it. Yes, yes, guys, yes. Look at my bread. Ooh, yes, guys, hot and nice. Look at this, guys. Focus. Can you see how soft this is, guys? With a little Jamaican flavor and Jamaican style in it. There you have it, guys. All right, love upon me and I love upon you. Soft and nice. All right, guys. Yes.